Alright, welcome back to Sebeliever YouTube channel. Alright, today I'm going to guide you how to use the calculator to find the mean of error data. Our previous tutorials we did group data. This time around I'm going to talk about raw data. Alright, so let's consider this question. The age of 4 university students are 21, 22, 24 and 25. Find the mean age. And we know that it's a summation of the x over the n. So this is how it is. So 21 plus 22 plus 24 plus 25 all over the number of n students. And the number of students is what? 4. So our n over here is what? 4. Alright. So let me guide you how to use the calculator to find it. So simple and easier, quick and fast. Alright, so we are going to point our mode. We are going to select from 6, which is the start. You can see the table over there, the graph. So 6. Then we are going to select from 1. Since it's a raw data, we are going to select from 1. We are not going to turn on the frequency because there is no frequency given. And to be precise, the frequency, if you have to give any frequency to the age over here, it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 1. So there's no need to add the frequencies. So we are going to have only one table, only a column, but 4 rows. Alright. So the first age is 21, 22, and 24. So 21, 22, 24, 25. Okay, after entering your data, press AC to clear everything. Then go straight option OPTN under the shift QR OPTN, punch on it, then select from 2. You can see that we have our mean. This is the symbol for the mean. The mean is what? 22. Alright, the mean is what? 22. So you can see that the mean is what? 22. And when you sum the 21, 22, 24 and 25, you are going to have something like 92. You are going to have something like 92. So the summation of x, which is 21, 22, 24 and 25, is 92. So the calculator has given it to us to 92. Alright, and the calculator gave us the variance and the standard deviations, but we don't need the standard deviations for now. In our next video we are going to cover that, but our main motive over here is to find the mean when we are given error data. Thank you very much for learning with Sebeliever. Have a nice day.